Okay, queens, and for the maintenance, what you want to do is spray it lightly and take section it off in 4 sections, but take your first section, 2-strand twist that, 2-strand twist it, and she's going to just demonstrate real quick. We're going to 2-strand twist it, and then once we 2-strand twist it, you want to take it and kind of make it into a bantu knot. So take it and just wrap it around the braid just like that, okay? And then what you want to do is just get you a pin and you just pin that up there, pin it, and then instead of doing a bonnet, what you want to do is you want to get a silk or a satin scarf and just tie down the whole entire install. And when you wake up in the morning, you'll be fresh, new, ready to go. And it comes straight down. Very, very, very easy and simple. So that is your maintenance. And the hair looks beautiful. It's beautiful.